The benefits of continuing care retirement community. People nowadays have already realized the importance of saving for the future, especially for their retirement. This is because when they reach their retirement age, all they have to do is to relax and enjoy life together with the financial benefits that they themselves have tried to save little by little. That is why, when it comes to retirement and the benefits that can be derived from it, people should take the matter seriously. Because of the growing trend in retirement issues and programs, one area of retirement is gradually taking the limelight. This is known as the Continuing Care Retirement Community or the CCRCs. Continuing Care Retirement Communities are consistently gaining some recognition because of the features and benefits that retirees get from them. To know more of the CCRC, here is a list of the benefits that a retiree can derive from them. 1. Continuing Care Retirement Community provides various housing projects and selection for their members. With a wide variety of choices, people are opting to choose a house that will correspond to their lifestyle and personality. These housing privileges are not just mere housing projects, in which likes of them are usually made from low-quality materials. However, those that were provided by CCRC, the houses are surely apt for the family. In addition, these are, indeed, low-cost houses. 2. The CCRC also offers optimum security, specialized services, and support to their residents. In this way, people who live in the area have peace of mind because they are surrounded by tranquil setting. Moreover, in CCRC, people are entitled to enjoy 3 stages of care made available within the context of the Continuing Care Retirement Community. 3. The CCRC have programs that are always available, round the clock, to their customers. This means that the residents or their customers can readily avail the services that they need, in which all of the services are all focused on the well-being and health of the people. No wonder why more and more retirees are aiming to obtain their new homes from the CCRC. Surveys show that approximately 625,000 elderly people are planning to have their own houses through this program. 4. The agreements stipulated therein are all stated in the contract. That is why retirees are more than secure because they will know that the things that they have worked for will not just go to waste. CCRC is another way of enjoying life's simple pleasures after working so hard all their lives.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Transform your old articles and ebooks into brand new audio content and use it to create podcasts or videos for your YouTube or TV channel. Visit allsuper.info and ask our live support for details.